Tinnitus is a persistent ringing or buzzing sound in the ears. For many, it's distracting, but a lesser-known cause is earwax buildup. When the ear canal is blocked, the brain increases sensitivity to internal noise, making tinnitus more noticeable. Removing the blockage restores the ear's natural pathway, often reducing these symptoms significantly. At Hearing First Oxford, our qualified audiologists use gentle microsuction to clear your ear canal with precision. While not all tinnitus is caused by wax, professional removal can provide noticeable relief when it is a factor. Book your examination at Hearing First Oxford today and rediscover clarity.